Hi, I'm Carrie Blazer, the Divine Feminine, reincarnation of Mary Magdalene. Thank you for clicking on my clip. But I want to let you know that I have a free ebook linked below, my 6 Divine Feminine Self-Love Strategies. They will help you transform your emotional wounds into personal wisdom. And I take a multidisciplinary approach. I include the laws of physics, psychology, neuroscience, shamanism, mysticism. I went wild, okay? So men can understand and women can understand. There's something there for everyone because what I learned is when something's true, it's true in multiple places. All right, please like and subscribe and help me distribute my ebook to everyone for free by exploding my channel. Take care. Enjoy the clip. Bye. Okay, I'm going to stop there. And now let's focus on what is the solution to this challenge. And I'm first going to show how our emotions operate, how based on the laws of physics, the universe is a mirror. And then we're going to have 2 videos about how the heart is a vortex and how blood flows in an embryo before the heart is even formed. And we're going to rely on Albert Einstein quote and a Nikola Tesla quote. Einstein said, "The field is the sole governing agency of the particle." The field, meaning the energy body of the soul, the particle, meaning the body. And that's at the field of epigenetics, epi meaning before, genetics meaning like the body, grounds that Einstein quote in tons of truth and scientific evidence. Additionally, Tesla said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So let's start on the left with the map of consciousness. And here are all of our emotions. And our souls express ourselves via emotions. And women are the emotional center. Okay. And so that's where the subjective really comes from. Women are designed to express our emotions, surrender to our emotions, and then men are designed to act based on those emotions. Women drop the handkerchief, men decide what to do. The feminine expressions the emotion. We're neurologically designed to make all these emotional connections. So when women process through information, we have to make all these connections through neurological scans. Men don't. That's why neurologically it's supported that men can make quick decisions because they can skip all those connections and live in logic and ground in reality. Where women, physiologically, neurologically, are not designed for it, whether we like it or not. I mean, it is what it is, right? Like, I can't change it. I had to accept that when I hated my femininity, I was really unhealthy and destroyed all my relationships. So that's not good. But now that I accept that I'm the creative source, I express my emotions, and then the masculine acts based on those emotions, and I stay in my healthy lane. Now I don't have anxiety, I don't have depression, I haven't gotten sick in 6 years. Like, I'm a healthy feminine woman now. But when I deny that I'm a woman, like I did throughout most of my life because of my childhood trauma, pushed me into my masculine, like protecting myself, fending for myself, providing for myself, then I was not a healthy person. And I'm a woman, I'm not a man. We can't conflate the two. So this shows us that shame resonates at 20 hertz, where enlightenment is 700 to 1,000 hertz. And the first time I experienced enlightenment was 2 years ago for 3 days. As women, we stay in our emotions longer based on our physiology and how long our hormones kind of stay in that elevated state. It's all designed for a reason. But I was in that elevated state of enlightenment for 3 days, and I was in perfect shape, hot yoga 6 days a week, like 20 pounds lighter than I am right now. I lost 12 pounds. That's how transformative it is.